Woo. Yep, that's me.
Oh, great shot.
It happens.
I know.
All right.
I have no idea how.
Let me do this real quick.
I am old. 70 and old.
Alrighty. How y'all doing tonight? Besides this.
Good other than this.
Well, it was time.
Well, let's see. Let's see if we can get you doing a little better.
I hope so.
You're a bird in there, huh?
2 parrots.
Oh yeah? What kind?
Gray.
Oh my gosh. That is awesome.
They're pretty cool.
I've seen a bunch of videos of them. Keep trying to convince my wife to get one.
Woo! Work.
They can mimic.
They talk.
Oh.
Papa.
Oh yeah. I met one in Florida.